Since the meeting is now called to order, since the majority of the members are here, so the presence of a quorum is in the air. So, Engineer Pabiran.
Good afternoon atong tanan, no? Bali nag-provide ako copies na sa para sa ABC Council ng item So, nasa din ikuan based of the minutes of the previous meeting, approval of the meeting's agenda na itong business agenda proper. Nadumagan yung ito adoption of NDRMC resolution kay ito siya i-mention si Motion na rin. Nahin mo na siya ang NDRMC resolution numbers 5, 6, 7, 8. Samo man yun. Then, nato ang item number 2 sa approval of the proposed EIP for calendar year 2026. Then, the presentation and approval of proposed EIP calendar year 2026 to 2028. Muna siya 3-year plan. Then, presentation and approval of the proposed 20% for the fiscal year 2026. And number 6, the presentation and approval of the programming of the 20% calendar year current year sa item 1000-3-01 under General Services, the counterpart to National Provincial Government Agencies Project worth of 7 million. Muna siya sa positive na ito ang counterpart sa Kalahi. Since sa Kalahi na ito, pagkilos naman siya, mga first quarter pa siya next year maka-implement. And then, sa presentation na approval of the supplemental EIP number 4 for this current year to cater the changes ng mga per-programming na nila na-mention sa actual parents. So, any motion sa pag-approve sa budget? Dara kami agad yung
motion to approve the agenda. ABC President, Sikandel, Honorable Bungkawin, and Honorable Ubas. Motion is approved. First agenda.
the adoption of the emergency resolution number 5 series of 2025 ayahang reprogramming sa savings are suspended balances again under
I-adapt na siya. Adoption, motion, Honorable Lapot, Sikandel, Gaspar Mamonte, and FDR. So, motion is approved. Number 2, Number 6, motion of Honorable Bungkawin of Bubungan, Sikandel, Carancho, and Peninsula, Southern Peninsula. So motion. Resolution number 7, motion of Patrick Habay of Agriculture, Sikandel, Southern Philippine College. And resolution number 8, Engineer Lim, Sikandel, MLGO. Motion is approved. MDRMC. Adoption.